This is one such story. An incredible journey of an ordinary man who began as a small-town mechanic and rose to shine on the global stage.
Mr. Meenakshi Sundaram Subramanian from India.
Today, he's not just a technician, he's proof that passion can shape destiny. This is his journey, from the streets of Mathura to the world stage. The journey of a champion.
Meenakshi is a gem of person. Wherever we step, we look towards him.
Meenakshi is not just a technician, he is an inspiration to all of us.
Meenakshi Sundaram is a star.
When a customer places such faith in me, there is nothing more satisfying. It truly makes my day, giving me the drive to improve. Today, I am overwhelmed by the love and affection from everyone around me, my customers, my colleagues, my dealer Anna, and the Yamaha mentors. Their support is my greatest motivation. From childhood, I had a deep fondness for cycles and bikes. Watching my friends ride to school filled me with longing, but I understood our financial constraints and never asked my father for one. Despite this, I developed a knack for understanding machines early on. Whenever someone had trouble with their cycle, they would come to me before heading to the repair shops. Helping them saved them money and brought me the joy of a free ride. A small yet cherished consolation that warmed my heart. From that time only it stuck in my mind that making your customer happy is how satisfactory and rewarding. Life wasn't always smooth. I faced my share of hardships. My father, who worked long hours as a daily wage laborer at a cotton factory. As time went on, making end meet became a constant struggle for my father. And my mother, despite her own hardships, always hid her misery behind a smile, often sacrificing her own meals to ensure we were fed. During that difficult period, my brother and I chose to step up and start working to support our family. After spending some time doing random jobs just to get by, I finally got a break and landed a role of helper at Alagendran workshop. Initially it took time for breaking the ice. All the seniors were working there for some time, so including a new member took time. They were not rude, but yes, a bit of apprehensive. But I was still happy as I have interest in automobiles, and the best part of my job is I got chance to work on RX100, my dream bike. Soon, with the support of my seniors and colleagues, I understand the technicalities of the bikes. And then icing on the cake, I got an opportunity to receive training at Yamaha Training Center. It was really great. I just not get educated. I understand the importance of my job. I start feeling proud being a technician. I heard about the National Grand Prix contest for technicians. In 2012, I made it to the national stage and secured third place, but instead of pride, I felt devastated. My mother and wife consoled me.
The first time I met him, I knew one thing: he loved what he did. And that was enough for me.
She believed in me, even when I doubted myself. Then came the biggest opportunity of my life. I was selected for the World Technician Grand Prix contest. I have to represent India Yamaha at global front. But life has other plans. My mother's health was failing, my daughters were too young, balancing it all was overwhelming and exhausting. I made the hardest decision of my life, and I requested to withdraw from the contest. Then my wife stepped in. She looked at me and said, "This is not just your moment, it is ours too. A moment we all worked for. You focus on the contest, and I will take care of mother and our family." She held the family together so I could chase my dreams. I again geared up for the World Tech Contest, but all possible because of Yamaha Technical Academy and my dealer's unwavering support.
I was very happy for him, but deep down, I knew that winning would not be easy. While I have faith in his skills, the language barrier was a significant challenge. Despite this, I never mentioned it to him, and I did my best to support him in any way I could. All the staff were anxiously praying and continuously asking, what about the outcome? But one thing, everybody, they themselves, they were nervous.
Entry number 7, Mr. Meenakshi Sundaram Subramanian from India. Congratulations! Please go to the stage.
When I told them the news he won, it turned into a festive celebration. We enjoyed a lot.
They organized a special felicitation event at the Taj Hotel and invited me and my family. It was a great moment, a new beginning, people recognizing me, my family and relatives keep telling everyone. And best thing, my daughter's feeling very proud. Heartily thanks to Yamaha and dealer support. My lifestyle also improved. I shifted from rented to my own house. My daughters now study at a prestigious university, excelling not just in academics but in sports and other activities too. But I wasn't aware that the real journey begins now. I've somehow created a benchmark, and now everyone looks towards me with aspiration and expectation. I focused on following standard operation procedures and guided my colleagues to do the same. I understand that doing things is important, but doing them with purpose of making customer happy is what makes you exclusive and special. I created a trust element with not only my colleagues but also with my customer. The most rewarding and satisfactory is customers' trust in me. They remember me, want to get their bike serviced in my supervision.
When I bring my bike in, I ask for Meenakshi. Because with him, it's not just about fixing my bike, it's about peace of mind.
It's not about just the bike, it's about the treaters. Meenakshi and his team, they make us feel as valued. That's why I keep coming here.
It's truly inspiring to see that the company we work for shares this unwavering commitment to customer delight. Together, we are not just meeting expectations, we are exceeding them and creating memorable experiences for our customers. Never stop yourself from dreaming. Just take the first step and the path will become clear. In my case, Yamaha came as my guiding angel. You will find yours too.
Meenakshi's journey is proof that nothing is impossible. It's not just about fixing or repairing bikes. It's about touching hearts through your work. If you touch your customers' hearts, you've achieved true success. As a company, Yamaha has been dedicated to touching hearts for years. We have reached millions worldwide, but there are still many more hearts to touch.